Here we go again, right? Here we go again. What's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, look at market performance. I can't even say it. I can't even say it. Look at market performance. After that, we look at prices in details. And right after that, we look at our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? I don't know about you. I know I'm looking at that Bentley every day. Any day from now. Okay? Anyways, before we do that, let me set this down. You get it, right? A lot of people still don't get it. Everybody keeps asking, oh, without Binance, we are not going to go anywhere. Without this, we're not going to do this. And everybody keep having that expectation right there. If you ask me, I would say, I would rather Kaspa keeps on building. That's what I would rather have. Kaspa keeps on building. Binance, sooner than later, they're going to realize what they're missing. Because again, if you look, the volume, right? Look at how much money the exchanges that have Kaspa they are making. Volume was almost $350-400 million. The volume alone. And this is just the beginning of everything. And if Binance don't want to list the coin, oh well, their problem, not mine. It gives me a chance to go ahead and pack more. Because again, there is nothing you can tell me right now that justify that you've been for over 20 months or close to 20 months that you list a coin, okay, on perpetual, and yet you have not listed on spot. Other than what I told you guys yesterday, or when was it? Day before yesterday, or a video not even long ago. I told you is the bribe money. Bribe money. Binance wants Kaspa to pay, but we don't. We don't pay. It is fair launch, fair, like decentralized. We don't pay. Somebody said, put a tweet, was it yesterday or something, talking about, oh, he got $50,000, and people talking about, yeah, they want to donate for Binance to pay the bribe fee and let Binance list it. Listen, if y'all got that much money, I'm gonna put my address in the description. Y'all send me all that Kaspa. I can put it to better use. That's what I can do. What y'all mean go pay for it? Don't pay for that shit. Don't. If they don't want to list it, well, their own problem. We got from zero to what, $4 or $5 billion market cap or whatever it went without Binance. Trust me, we will get there without them. We don't need them as everybody else thinks like they will. But anyways, looking at the way things is going, I think they're about to list it. They are, because looking at the volume, looking at how much money they are losing right now. Because everybody kept saying, oh, when markets gets better, hello, how is the market right now? Is market not better? I think it's a personal thing. That's what I think it is. So for me, it's their business, it's their company. They can do whatever they like with it. Like I always tell you guys, right? They are more than free to do whatever they want with it. So, but you see people over there coming over there crying about Binance not listing Kaspa. Binance not, man, fuck that. To hell with it. Okay? For me, if Binance don't list it, hey, Crypto.com has already showed you guys how to buy Kaspa, which means they're about to list it. And before you know it, Coinbase will list it. So even if Binance doesn't, Crypto.com, Coinbase, OKX, they all will list it, and we're still gonna run. All right, so it's really pissed me off when people sit over there like on the corner, they like see if they were nervous or afraid of something. If Binance don't list it, then what? You are not going to invest? Really? You are going to base your money based on whether Binance is listing Kaspa or not? Come on, guys, be realistic. You gotta understand things. Because again, look, one of your another YouTuber did it, and I thought, I don't believe it. I gotta go check it out myself. Like I always tell you guys, you hear something from somebody, go check it out yourself. I did that. So I went and I asked ChatGPT, okay, if it was normal. Look at what ChatGPT says. AI. I asked if it was normal for an exchange to list perpetuals on an asset and 18 months later not list trading on that same asset. And ChatGPT said no. It's unusual. It's not normal. ChatGPT, even, you know what, even the AI is telling you it's not normal. And because of, look, derivatives first approach. What do you mean by that? That like DYDX did. Okay, so yeah, Kaspa passed that flying color. Liquidity or demand issues. Are you serious? Look at the market volume. $350-400 million market of what, 24 hours volume. Demand issue, what? Kaspa is on high demand right now. So this one, we can also cross it out the line. Say, custody and technical concerns. What kind of custody and technical? Tangent wallet. You can store your stuff. You can make it a wallet. Like the other day, if they have custody issues, why did they list on perpetual? See, the same thing. So this is not even an excuse for them. Number 4, regulatory compliance. What? Kaspa is decentralized. It's not like XRP or any of them who went trying to lobby, knowing that, yeah, they're securities. Kaspa is not a security. So this is a fair launch. No VCs, no nothing. So what are you talking about? That one out, we crash. So you scratch it off the list. So Kaspa does not fall onto that category. Look at it. Strategic or business decisions. What kind of business decision? See how much money everybody else is making, and you rather lose money? Still too, you still not, I mean, it does not make any sense at all that Binance has not leased Kaspa. Unless, like I'm saying, okay, like I'm saying, we did not pay the bribe fee. Because all the bulletin points that ChatGPT gives you, those meme coins, those rug pulls, those shit coins, and those fucked up projects that Binance lists, they can't even pass one of those bullet points. They can't. But yet they list them. So yeah, it is not about that. You guys should just leave it alone, whether they want to list it or not. So focus on trying to get more of the Kaspa before it runs. Which is something, again, everybody else is not paying attention to. Everybody else looking at, yeah, he's not moving fast as I want. Again, the same situation we had when Kaspa went down to 5 cents. And what were people talking about? Oh, he's gonna go to 1 cent. That's what everybody was talking about. Instead of, hey, pack your bags, get ready, put on your big boy pants. And because if it does not have a risk, it's not worth it. Anything in life, I don't know about you, those of them that take that greater risk usually make it big, right? I give you example, Bitcoin. When Bitcoin started, everybody and their grandmama was bashing it. It's useless, it's this, it's money laundering. But those of them who took the risk on buying $10,000, 20,000 Bitcoin when it was less than $1, look at them today. Okay, unless they are stupid enough like the other one who bought 30,000 Bitcoin for a pizza. Well, but look at them today. It's the same thing. You're looking at Kaspa, and I'm telling you, that money, that stage is the same thing that Kaspa. Kaspa is on it right now because smart contracts are not in yet. Tier 1 exchanges are not here yet. And everybody's looking at Kaspa. Yeah, it's not. Some people are even still thinking till today that we're going back to 1 cent. Which again is the funniest thing I've ever heard. Funniest thing. Like, look, if you look at this app, I think I showed you guys Kaspa AI. If you go look at it, Kaspa AI is telling you that no, price action is even going higher. Look at that. Yesterday on the Fear and Greed Index, we have people like a little bit greedy. Now, Bitcoin did this little thing. Everybody is running away. Like, yeah, I told you Bitcoin is going lower. Really? Are you really paying attention to the market? Or excuse me, let me do this. Let me set this right here. Oh la la, excuse me for a second. Let's go here on statistics now. See, like right now, see what the AI is telling you? That price is about to go to 13.8 cents. Me, I already told you the move that we started is supposed to take Kaspa to 16 cents. If you're expecting a 1 cent, you are going to miss. You are going to miss. I'm telling you, the month that we are in the middle of May right now, right? What did people say? Everybody else was telling you sell in May and go away, right? I think I was the only one here on YouTube telling you sell in May and go away is not going to work this run. It's not, because the bull run would not last long, right? Therefore, the market is going to run instead of dropping in May. It's not going to happen. How many of you listen? If you did, congratulations, because as we can see, it's pumping, right? And now you see people, the little retracement that Bitcoin did, the little retracement is did, everybody else running away. That's what today I had a bet, okay, with a friend of mine. I said, I'm not selling, I'm buying even more. So we had a bet. He's like, okay, I bet I'm gonna make you more money by shorting Bitcoin and doing either short, and then when it tries to go up, it's gonna go in there and try to go up there. And I said, nah, I bet you I'm gonna choose. He said, no, choose any of the coins you talk about, open a trade and show me if you're gonna win. I say, is that so? So we have a bet, okay, a $15,000 bet going on right now. If I win, I get the bet. If I don't, I pay him $15,000, which now I made a think about it. Yeah, Kaspa is running, blah, blah, blah. And on my Wix exchange, which I will show you guys later, I picked, he said, no, don't, because I was about to take a Kaspa. He said, no, don't take Kaspa because you're too bullish on Kaspa. I said, this is a competition. I can choose any coins. And you said choose any coins you're talking about. And he said, no, except Kaspa. I said, okay, I'm going to show you that the coins I'm talking about, they are money makers. So on my Wix exchange with him together, I opened a 50x trade. He said, don't use more than $1,000. Anything below $800 will work. I said, okay. So I put my money on Quant. I opened a brand new trade on Quant, 50x on Wix exchange today. And those of you, I posted it on my X account, and I was telling you guys here, if you follow me on X, you will probably see it. Because I was telling guys like, yeah, I am going into a competition. Let me see. This is the one. Like I said, wish me luck getting in a QNT trade challenge at 50x margin on Wix exchange. So this is what, like I said, I was getting into it, and everybody else kept asking me, oh, should we do that? I am very confident on the coins that I am trading in my millionaire journey. Therefore, I want to prove it. And you guys already know me, okay? So this was the same trade. How long was this ago? This trade, blah, blah, blah. This is the trade. Quant, 9 hours ago, I was already up $131. So yeah, I will show you how it is doing right now. But yeah, you guys already know me. I put my mouth where my money is. I don't bluff. When I tell you that these coins are going to make me money, I don't know about you. I'm not your financial advisor, so I can't tell you. I am only showing you what I am doing. And I was telling him that, and he said, nah, I don't believe you. He's gonna he's gonna trade with Solana. So I said, okay, go ahead. Let's see who makes better. The same amount of money, same exact time, same date, and let's see. Let's see who makes more money on it. So yeah, he opened his trade, I opened mine, and there we go. I told him, yeah, if you don't get liquidated first, because we all know how Crashilandia moves. But regardless, it is something that, yeah, when I have conviction in it. It doesn't matter to me whether Binance lists Kaspa or it doesn't. I know what I am holding, because history does not repeat but it rhymes. Crashilandia, Solana did the same thing to Ethereum. Like I always tell you over and over again, why do you think Solana is running? Why do you think it's running? Because Ethereum fucked up, right? Ethereum did something wrong. Even with the new upgrade that they brought in, that is the most funniest shit I ever seen. So you're going to charge your users more gas fees, okay? Because what? Okay, let me try to explain this to those of you who don't understand what Ethereum just did. They are going to increase the blocks, even the blocks. Most of those blocks are going to be empty blocks. They are not making use of the UTXOs. They are just going to increase the number of blocks, which in turn is going to make you, the Ethereum maxis, pay more money as gas fees to increase the speed of the transaction. Make some sense out of that. When everybody else is going to less fees, faster transaction, Ethereum is going to higher fees for faster transactions. Make some sense out of that. Does it even add up? That's the upgrade they just uploaded. And you tell me, I keep telling you, like, they are not going to survive because they are not scalable. They are not they are not secure. They are not even, decentralized. They are not. That is the everything that checks out with Kaspa. So the same strategy, like I was saying, Solana used that on ETH and Solana market cap. If you look, I told you, go look at market cap on Solana and Ethereum. If you watch it when it was, the market cap was growing on Crashilandia, that one on Ethereum was going down. See, that's what I'm telling you. Sui came into the game. Watch market cap of Crashilandia as market cap of Sui was going up. Watch it. But everybody, they don't realize that all those garbage coins, they are all the same. They are all the same. Nothing changed but the name on the mail. Sui is the same as Crashilandia, is the same as Ethereum. Proof of stake, which again, decentralized, not fully scalable, not secure. Proof of stake is the same. And no financial institution is going to work with that. Time is coming. I'm telling you, it's coming. The things that is going to open those doors is when you see Tangent Pay go live. Because when Tangent Pay goes live, other banks, other institutions are going to see it. And everybody's going to want to jump on that bandwagon. That's why I told you guys, bull run is not going to last long. The only coin I believe is going to be running by the end of the year and into 2026 is going to be Kaspa. You will see. And again, if you look at the timing of their development, okay, Casplex with the OP codes, and then IngraLab, then Sparkle, and the rest of them, look at how they're releasing them one by one. 30 blocks per second first, and then Dark Knight at 100 blocks per second. Guys, you are in for a surprise. You are very in for a surprise. And I keep here telling you, generational wealth. Do not listen to the Crashilandias. Do not listen to the meme coin parties. Do not listen to, how do you call the guy that comes in a, I forgot what movie it was, that comes in a dream and say, I am your father. I'm telling you, do not listen to those. Because at the end of the day, what really matters is generational wealth. Price might not be going up like everybody wants, but it is starting to move. I told you, watch Kaspa the next 3 months. For the short term, we are about to go crazy. These listings and all these things, you're about to see Kaspa do the unthinkable. And I will sit here, music blasting, with my Maxi Mug AI, sipping my coffee and laughing. You will see. It's okay. Everybody, where's my 1 cent army? I don't see them anymore, right? You will see. Don't say I did not warn you. This boat is already sailing. Better catch an Uber before to get that bus, because the real one is leaving. Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's look at the markets right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours, okay? let's see here, with crypto bubbles. Everybody who was talking about altcoin season is not here, right? Oh, oh my God. Altcoin season is not here, right? I told you. Everybody else was wrong about this. I told you. Altcoin season is not going to be money trickle down, right? It's not going to be like that. Go look at Bitcoin dominance. It dropped, right? Why is altcoins not pumping? Instead, Bitcoin goes up, altcoins pump. Bitcoins dump, altcoins dump. This run is going to be different. People are not paying attention. Well, I will be. The really thing that hurts me is like, and they say there's going to be a lot of people left holding the hot potato in their hand. That's what hurts me. And I'm trying to tell you, pay attention. Okay? Macroeconomy is what determines this bull run. Pay attention to the M2, the move index, interest rates, trade wars, all that crap. It's what determines this bull market. You will see. Don't say I did not warn you. Okay? But anyways, let's go. Let's finish this right quick. And I'm going to go here. Looking at the King Kaspa, KAS. Here, for the past hour, Kaspa is down 2.2%, 3.1% down on the day, 29.4% up on the week, 52.2% up on the month, and 5.3% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $3.12 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $108.17 million. Pay attention to the volume. Anyways, now looking at QNT, the Japanese, the banker's coin a lot of people love to hate. We see here for the past hour, 0.8% down, 1.9% up on the day, 8.7% up on the week, 54.2% up on the month, and 7.5% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.45 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $28.48 million. We go look at Jasmy, the Japanese Bitcoin, JAS. We got here 2.2% down the last hour, 6.5% down on the day, 22.3% up on the week, 23.7% up in the month, and 9% up in the year. Again, it doesn't surprise me. Bitcoin is doing its thing. Jasmine is going to follow. Sitting at the market cap of $932.56 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $77.04 million. Looking at cubic, high risk, high reward. I told you, this thing is very risky. Unless you want to, how do you say it? I don't know, but it's very high risk. Look at this. 1.7% down the last hour, 7.9% down on the day, 2% up on the week, 11.8% up on the month, and 71.8% down the year, sitting at the market cap of $173.54 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $5.33 million. They're about to start mining another coin, which they're going to use to purchase more cubic and burn it. So yeah, that might be a good strategy, and you might see this thing start to run like like nobody's expecting it. Right now, let's go look at the big orange guy, Bitcoin. See, this is why I'm telling you, this is the reason why Jasmine is doing wrong. For the past hour, 0.6% down, 0.7% down the day, 5.5% up in the week, 21.1% up in the month, and 67.6% up in the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.05 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $27.63 billion. So yeah, you guys already know. See, Bitcoin is going down. All coins doing exactly the same. And if you go look at Bitcoin dominance, again, it is dropping. There is no money trickling down. There is no money trickling down, just like everybody telling you. It is not. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at, let's see here, trading view for prices in details. Let's see if we can find anything different. Although I'm telling you, yeah, that moves of the coins that we are trading that move, they're into that during the trades right now, except for some. Give me a second. Yeah, as you can see, Bitcoin going down, Dixie going down. Again, we don't have that correlation, right? So be careful, because yeah, you might be putting your hand in a, how do you say it? You might be putting your hand in a trap. That's what it is. Bitcoin is supposed to be going up higher than this. So yeah, let it finish updating. Yeah, like some people say, yeah, Bitcoin is forming a double top, and I just laugh about it. Anyways, let's go look at first King Kaspa. As you guys can see, what we're just doing again, look at this. Kaspa is forming another symmetrical triangle. If you want to look at it on the 1 hour. Now, everybody else is not even paying attention to it. Okay, look at this. If you put a line right there to come on, I think I'd rather do it this way. Then let me show you trend lines. Take a trend line. Now look, this one is not going to be perfect because my I'm doing this on my phone, but you get an idea what I'm trying to tell you. And then come on, you put another trend line from up there, and you try to touch right there. See, this is what I see. Well, maybe you see something different. You may as well let me know if it's something else different. But as you guys can see, went up, touch, down. This one again smaller, this one lower, this one lower. So up, down, it's going to go again up. Maybe this time it's not even going to come back down. It's going to touch and up. We keep on going, right? So that's what I see right now. Now if you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's go. We're in that move, guys. We have to hit the targets before any major moves happen. So yeah, as you guys can see, ribbon still facing up. Moving average is trying to catch up. So yeah, you must just rush through this, because again, there's no point of doing any TA because we haven't hit those targets yet. For those of you who don't know, if I show you right quick on the weekly, these are the targets I'm talking about. Okay, if you see here, the white line here, 15 cents. Next one right there, 18 cents. And after that, we're talking about all-time high and then price discovery. So until we hit the 16 cents, then we will reevaluate the entire market to see what Kaspa is doing. And after that, we hit 18 cents, we'll see what Kaspa is doing, and then all-time high. So therefore, doing TA right now, like I told you, for those of you who don't have that positions open, I would rather wait and see what happens here. Maybe it's going to touch it and then come back down to retest another support, like you guys can see right now. Okay, price shot all the way down to almost 13 cents, and now we're back down to 12. So yeah, I wouldn't want to trade this, because it's like I told you, it's like trying to catch a falling knife. But one thing for sure, I'm telling you, it's going to get there to that 16 cents. If you look at the ribbon, you will see exactly like I've been telling you, it is curving right now. Still red, but it is completely curving. Very soon it will turn green, and by the time this thing turns green, price will be there, 16 or even 18 cents, and you will see. But anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at Quant. I got rushed because unfortunately I just got back from work and I got to take care of some business. So let's go look at Quant QNT, USDT, and we have here QNT USDT. Again, see, we got to the point. Now, for those of you who want to trade, now is the time you are supposed to be looking at that entry, because Quant is looking to have that move going up. Now, what Quant is forming is a classic bull flag. If you zoom it out, you will see we got to the target, and now price is going sideways a little bit before taking off again. This is the reason why I took that bet and I opened that position. But anyways, if you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hours right quick. Just look here, excuse me. You will see the same thing. See what I'm telling you? We break above the resistances, we always come back to retest them and bounce from there. See, We reached it. Now we came back. I was telling you, if you want to enter a position, not financial advice, pay attention to 95 to 92 cents thereabout, and we came right on the money. Tested it, and coin is bouncing up right now. So the movement that we are looking at here is going to be something like this. Trend lines. Let me take this right quick. Look at this. Okay, see, lower is going up that way. 2 points touch, and now we take another one, trend line. We put it. You remember, it looks like it's doing the same triangle pattern. I mean, it's doing the same diamond pattern again. Some people just say, because if you do that, take this one, come on, put it right there, see, and then you take another trend line. It's not going to be perfect, but it looks like that's what's happening. And you take another trend line and put it right there, see, right there. That's what it looks like is happening, and you guys already know the deal. you already know the deal. If you take another third trend line and you put it from the breakout point, okay, the way it gets. Now let's grab it and put it on top. It's not going to be perfect because I'm using my phone. And now let's go look right here. Take on the daily. Let's see if you're going to see it. Okay. Daily is showing that quant is heading to 112. Okay, $112. That's what it shows right now. See where the green line ends? Yeah, 112. That's what it is showing. But I've told you guys many times that is not even the beginning of it, because if you zoom out, okay, you will see 112 lines up with all these activities that we had. Active trade activities, that's where it lines up to. But the main price target is 125, and after that 150, 164, and up there we go to almost $190. Those are the price actions that we are looking at quite about to break. And if we break above 174 with a daily candle, this thing is going to all-time high, then price discovery. But oh well, it's up to you, right? Whatever you want to do is your money. And again, but now let's go right quick. Let's go look at Jasmine. I'm trying to rush it. Man, I'm so tired. I just worked my 12 hours. But let me go. Jasmine, if you look at Jasmine, there's nothing to be said here. You saw what Bitcoin is doing. Therefore, look at Jasmine. For Jasmine, again, look at the moving average, okay? Right now, we are waiting for Bitcoin to start going again to go try that $105,000. That will also mean that Jasmine will also take off as soon as Bitcoin starts to move. Therefore, even when the price is doing this, look at the ribbon. Okay, look at the ribbon and look at the moving average. Ribbon still green, moving average is going up. So yeah, there is still a lot of bullish momentum on Jasmine. That's why I always tell you, and I've been preaching about it, pay attention to this. We have not reached the target yet. Target is above 2.3 cents. Okay, we need to reach 2.3 cents, then we reevaluate the market. Even so, look at the ribbon curving, right? It hasn't turned green yet, but it's curving. Therefore, we will hit this target. After this, 3.8. After that, 4.5. And then we keep on going. I'm telling you guys, this thing is getting ready to run. But oh well, it's up to you, right? Do whatever you wish with it. And now let's look at Bitcoin right quick. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, which is this guy. And again, see, despite all the bearish price action, what is the ribbon? Green. Okay, it's gonna go sideways. I'm telling you, with this correlation, two of them, Dixie and Bitcoin, in going in the same direction, you're going to have this. This is just the only people who have this as bad news is day traders. They are the only people. If you're a long-term trader, this wouldn't matter to you because your target should be up there at 120 or 140 or $160,000 Bitcoin. That's what you should be looking at. So yeah, as you guys can see, those of you calling for all season this, blah, 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 you see that? I told you, Bitcoin dumps, all seasons, all coins done. Bitcoin pumps, all coins pump, because this run is way different. It's not like the other ones you have ever seen. So even so, look at this. Let me go here. I like looking at it on the weekly better. See the weekly? No matter what is happening, Bitcoin is still pumping, and it's going to pump until we get to that my purple line. Once we get there, yeah, it's going to dump. It's going to have like a little bit correction until we get to my next green line and the next purple line and the next green line. As you guys can see, the gap between the last green line and the red one, that gap is huge, which means Bitcoin is going to rally like a mad dog until we get to that red line. Once we get there, yeah, it's going to be decision time. Is it time to close shop or maybe go up a little bit further? But I don't know about you. I'm not your financial advisor. This is the way I trade, and this is how I do it. This is my charts, okay? You can follow it if you want to, or you can forget it and go find Turbo AI. That's up to you. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. But before we do that, I've always told you guys, please do not get into leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, okay? I cannot teach you how to leverage trade. Nobody can. Down below, I do have the links, Bydfi, which I do recommend, Phemex, Margex, and Wix Exchange. Sign up, get the free money, and take 5, 10, whatever, a little amount, and practice. Because if you don't practice, you are going to make mistakes, and those mistakes are going to lead you to Reg City. It's that simple. Okay, that's simple. So yeah, if you want to, yeah, but don't say I didn't warn you. But anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my position. First, we're going to start with my beloved Bydfi. You guys already know. There, I am trading King Kaspa, and I am also trading coin. Today, my overall sitting at 14,200. Yeah, the market is taking a breather. Yesterday, this thing was like $15,000, I think it was, or something like that. But today, it is like that. If you look at my contracts, you will see, first, for my Kaspa, I am still down 32%, which is 2,900. Not bad, right? Look at my coin. I am also still down 6%, which is $600. Who would have thought? When a lot of people were calling for Reg City, when these positions were down 70, 80%. See, I told you, I'm not like you. This is my way of trading. I don't stress with the daily stuff. I'm a long-term trader, and I'm a very aggressive trader. But anyways, let's go look right quick on Phemex. Phemex, you guys know I'm trading King Kaspa and the Japanese Bitcoin Jasmine, right? See, my overall today, 12,800. Again, those of you who've been following my channel, you remember when this thing went down to what? $2,000-$3,000? I told you. Okay? Again, the same thing. I'm an aggressive trader. If you look at my contracts, you will see on my Jasmine, I am still down 57%, which is $6,300. Wow. Remember when this was down 95%? For my Kaspa, I am up 67%, which is 2,900 in profit. You remember when this thing went down almost 75%? I told you, this is the way I trade, okay? That's up to you. Now, let's go look at the Wix Exchange. Like I told you guys, they closed my cubic trade over there. I don't know the technical problems that we're having with it, but there I am trading King Kaspa and the challenge that I got today with Quant. So my overall today, as you guys can see, I'm almost $5,000. Crazy, right? Crazy. This thing is going up crazy. Now, if you look at my contracts, as you guys can see, this is the challenge I got in today, which was Quant. I am up 51%, which is $438. I guess I'm winning this challenge. and if you look at my Kaspa, I am up 74%, which is $1,300. But yet, for this Quant, like I told him, I say, yeah, I think I'm going to accept your challenge, because if you look, by the time we hit all-time high, $400, this thing will make me $40,000 in profit, which means I am investing $800 to make $40,000. That's simple, right? Crazy. Or if it goes $700, this thing will make me $79,000. Crazy, right? Now, like I told you, for me, if Quant does not perform good, that's $1,200. If it gets there, this thing will give me $145,000. If coin does average, okay, average, which means what, 2,500, something like that, $2,500, this thing will make me $316,000. Or if it goes to what I think it will, $5,000, this thing will make me $646,000. But all this, it depends, okay? It depends if what the M2 is gonna look like, what the move market, what the interest rate, and everything else is gonna happen. So, but yeah, I am very, very actively looking at the market. That's what I am doing. I am really paying attention to the market right now, because I told you this bull run is way different. Depends on what you think about it. But anyways, regardless, yeah, is this for today. What I wanted to tell you guys, do not pay attention whether Binance is listing or not listing. It is their problem. You have to pay attention to your generational wealth, because Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. And when this thing hits mainstream, they have already started accounts with millions and millions of followers. They have already started. Now they're comparing the speed, they're doing this, they're doing that. Even when you go look at the top altcoins, top coins to blow in 2025, Kaspa is the number one. Go look at it. It's there. I gotta get out of here. That's why I don't have time. I would have shown it to you. But you can go Google it. Go look at it. Top coins to outperform, to shine in 2025, Kaspa is there as number one. And again, everybody else who thinks that Kaspa is going to 1 cent, everybody's beginning to take notice of what Kaspa is. You understand? Anyways, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I just got off work. I am very tired right now. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Also, don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about today. And also don't forget to share, so that other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we can watch these videos and the family can grow. I mean, like I usually say, you never know what you're going to learn from a stranger, right? So anyways, I gotta get out of here, and I gotta go see what my trade is doing. I'm so excited, right? I got into it today, and when I look at it, I go like, wow, yeah, I am up 436. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing very good. Anyways, guys, again, thank you very much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, please, please, please take very good care of yourself, okay? Bye bye.